Welcome back to the Videorecon YouTube channel, your channel for outdoor adventure. And today I've got a great treat for you. We're going to check out Dr. Creek Campground, and that is in Fish Lake National Recreation Area, in Fish Lake National Forest. And so as you can see, the campground is actually located in between the lake, and on the right, it's also got access to the aspen clone. It's called Pando, and that is a grove of aspen trees. It's the largest organism on Earth. It's got all the facilities you need, including a dump site and a filling station, as you can see. And then on the left here, around the bend, you're also going to see a road, and that road is going to give you access to a day use area right along the lake where you can fish from the shore. Coming up, we've got the group campsites. There's actually 2 of them. They're not very shaded, but usually you're using your RV or your trailer, so not a big deal, but they can hold large groups of people. So great place for family reunions. There's 2 group sites, the one you're seeing right here. And then coming up in a second, you're gonna see access road to get to the group sites, and then on the other side there'll be another group site behind it. And one of the nice things is it's a great place to bring your boat. On the left you have a little bit of boat parking and trailer parking, and there's like 3 different places where you can actually launch a boat within a 3 to 5 mile distance. It's a really pretty area. So while we're heading towards the individual sites and the forest, I just wanted to kind of explain how to get to this campground. You're going to head south. When you get to Richfield, there'll be all sorts of signs for Fish Lake, and it's about a half an hour drive from Richfield, Utah, off of I-70, and it's well worth your trip. There's other ways to get here, of course, but that's major highway. Now we're approaching the individual campsites. It's a single loop. There are no hookups. It's dry camping, but you saw how close the facilities are to fill up and dump. And what I love is it has space between the campgrounds, like true space, and a lot of the campgrounds are shaded. So whether you're tent camping or RV camping, this is a great spot for you. There's about 30 to 40 sites. And it's adjacent to a general store and a boat dock area. You don't have to go far for any of the things that you want to do. And it's just outside of cell range, so if you're trying to keep the kids off of those devices, this is a perfect place to do it. It's got those restroom facilities. And just over the little tree line is that Pando clone. And there's all sorts of brochures that you can check out that talk about it, and it's a great place to walk your kids. It's all fenced off around the clone, but you can walk around the clone and you can explain to your kids what's going on. And another thing too, when you're in these kind of places, there's a lot of aspen trees and they're very sensitive. People have carved their initials in the trees. Please don't do that. It actually damages the trees and they can get disease and die from it. And we want to preserve the forest. We have enough problems with fires and other things to be carving our initials in trees. Look at this space, guys. This is amazing. If you don't mind not having hookups, this is a great campsite. If you have to have hookups, obviously it's not going to work for you. But if you're into roughing it just a little bit, great spot. We're kind of coming around the back side of the loop now. So hopefully you feel that Dr. Creek is a place that you could bring your family. Please let me know in the comments what you think, if it's a place you'd like to visit, if you liked the content of this video, and if it was informational for you. And also, throw a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully you have a good time on your next visit to the forest. and we will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.